friends, welcome to IT4. In this session we are going to see about where current of cursor statement in SQL Server. These statements are used in cursor fetching process. That is, while fetching records from cursor, we can update or delete records from original table with the criteria of current row in the cursor by mentioning where current of that cursor name. So it identifies the current row and matches the criteria condition with the original table and execute the update or delete process. Let us check the simplest example for this. There is one table student with student ID and student name. Creating cursor for this, the column variable student ID and student name for fetching data, fetching columns. There are two columns fetched with from student table. So cursor declare cursor name, the cursor type, cursor static for student ID and student name from student. Then open that cursor, fetch next from that cursor into declared variables and check with the condition fetch status is equal to 0 within this while loop. Here what is the process? If student name, that is that student name column variable is equal to David, just update the student, set student name is equal to Peter, where current of it identifies a current row, that is checking the after check the condition it goes to this process, that is where current of row from current student cursor. This is the syntax and it will update the row what the data contains with David. Again within this else condition, if student name is equal to Peter, again update the student name as David where current of cursor student. So find out the next position to the cursor, close the cursor and deallocate the cursor. Finally fetch it from the data. So actual data is like the current row is Peter. If I execute this, it will update. Before that, the static type cursors will not accept the update. See, the cursor is read only because it is static. Okay. And change it to dynamic. See the result set, it was updated to David. Again I execute. Now it's a Peter. Again it's a David. So just it will update the student name with the criteria of current row from that cursor. The condition of what we get mentioned with the student name. So first we point out if David, it will update to Peter. Again we execute the cursor, the student name is Peter, again it will update to David. So it is for dynamic and we can use it for forward only and key set. Without static type cursors we can use this update, and if we want to delete that, see the current row is Peter. Now here we can write with, we can use delete statement here, student where the current of current student, just it will delete from the student. Before that, for this key set cursor type, it will terminate the process, so we can use the dynamic. Just see, it will delete the student David. So using this where current of cursor statements, we can use update or delete statements to the original table. So this topic will be very useful to you. If you like this session, please like and subscribe. Thank you, friends.